Everybody needs a really easy one bowl vanilla cupcake recipe, and this one is one of my favorites. Let's make it. Okay, we're gonna start by adding our all-purpose flour into a large bowl. We're gonna dump in some granulated sugar. We're gonna throw in a little bit of baking powder and salt. Next, we're gonna whisk this all around. And like I said, this is a one bowl recipe, so I love it for like really quick celebrations, Love this recipe. Okay, so next we're gonna add in some butter. You can use salted, unsalted. I'm gonna throw in some half and half and an egg. All right, next I'm going to add in my vanilla yogurt. You can also use sour cream, but that vanilla bean yogurt, yes, it's so good in these cupcakes. Next, you want to add some really good vanilla extract. Don't go with the imitation stuff this time. Use a really good quality vanilla extracts. Now we're just going to mix this all around. And yes, I should have made a well in the center and mixed those wet ingredients first. But I was like, please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. But it did really good. So go ahead and get that all mixed up. And here is how the batter will look, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add some cupcake liners to our muffin pan here. This is my favorite muffin pan. I know she looked busted up, but I love this pan, honey. She is tried and true. We're going to add about a 1/4 cup to each little liner. Use a ice cream scoop if you have one, because this measuring cup, I was like, Lord have mercy, it was so slow. And you would definitely use up all of this batter. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes, which I love. It's just a half batter. You can double it if you want more. And once you get all these cupcake liners filled up, go ahead and give the pan a little shake just to kind of knock out any air bubbles. We're going to bake this 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes. When it comes out, place it on a cooling rack and let it cool off completely. And while it's cooling off, we're going to make our frosting. And this frosting is just as easy as a cupcake. So we're going to add some powdered sugar into a large bowl. Next, we're going to add in some butter. And I don't know why I dropped that butter like that. I'm like, I made a mess. But yeah, there it is. It's in there. Okay, we're going to mix this all around until everything becomes really crumbly like. And the butter is kind of mixed in there. And next, we're going to add in some half and half. You can also use vanilla almond milk. I have also made this with vanilla almond milk, and it's so good. But today, we're doing half and half because that's what I got. Add a little bit at a time, just until you get your desired texture. All right, I kind of want mine to be nice and thick. The more you mix this up, it's like the lighter the frosting gets, okay? Next, we're going to add in our vanilla extract again. You can also throw in some almond extract, just a tiny bit, teeny tiny bit if you want to. Okay, so here is my frosting. Yep, it makes just enough for this recipe. I love it so much. I'm going to place it in a piping bag and now just pipe it on. If you like a lot of frosting on your cupcakes, double the recipe. I don't like a lot of frosting on my cupcake. Give me one little drop just like that and I'm good. Add some sprinkles and that is it, you guys. This cupcake recipe is great for like if you want to add in mix-ins like cookies and cream, throw some Oreos in there. You can do like a funfetti. You can put preserves in here. It's just a very versatile recipe. I love it. And the texture, it's like a cloud. It's so fluffy. If you make it, let me know how you like it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later.